The automatic dough sheeter helps you flatten dough to the right thickness with the touch of a button. The high-quality conveyor and roller ensure the dough is handled with care and doesn't stick or get compromised. As the dough gets flattened, you can make adjustments to make it to the desired thickness. The width of the conveyor is 650 mm and the length is 1400 plus 1400 mm. The automatic flour duster and touchscreen control board with 50 working programs eliminates the need for manual labor. The sequential programming allows you to set start, stop, increase and decrease the roller gap to get perfect results every time. An automatic dough winder ensures the whole process is seamless and no manual intervention is needed.